Let's begin the chapter number 2, the noun case. The case of a noun tells us about the position of that noun in a sentence. So, in this chapter, we are going to know about the position of a noun in a sentence. There are three cases. Number one, nominative case. Number two, objective case, or we can say it accusative case also. And number three is possessive case or genitive case. So, nominative case, note the sentence John hit Tom. A very simple sentence. John hit Tom. In the above sentence, what is the relation of the noun John to the verb hit? The noun John stands as the subject of the verb hit. So in this sentence, we can say the word John is subject to the verb hit. In this sentence, John is a subject where hit is a verb. When the noun John stands as a subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. तो जब किसी सेंटेंस में कोई वर्ड सब्जेक्टिव पोजीशन पर है तो नाउन का नॉमिनेटिव केस कहलाएगा और वी कैन से द सब्जेक्ट इज इन नॉमिनेटिव केस. Definition: any noun or pronoun that is the subject of a verb is said to be in the nominative case. Some more examples. The Brahmin bathed. Who bathed? The Brahmin. The answer is the Brahmin. So in this sentence, the word, the subject, the Brahmin, is in nominative case. Next, Krishna went to Varanasi. Who went? Krishna. So Krishna is in nominative case. Number three is the bazaar is full of people. In this sentence, the bazaar is in nominative case because it is the subject to this sentence. The police arrested the thief. Who arrested? The police. So the police is in nominative case. He bought a quartz watch. He bought a quartz watch. In this sentence, he is the only word he is in nominative case because he is the subject of this sentence. The pot was broken by Hari. In this sentence, the pot is in nominative case. Now, objective case. Note the sentence below. Tom hit John. Again, three words only. Tom hit John. What is the relation of the noun John with the verb hit? The noun John stands as the object of the verb hit. Remember, in this case, objective case, we have to identify the object in the sentence. When the noun John stands as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case, or we can say when a word receives an action, it is said to be in objective case. Some more examples. Before we get examples, we should go through the definition. Any noun or pronoun that is the object of a verb is said to be in the objective case. Number one, the police arrested the thief. Whom did the police arrest? The thief. He bought a digital watch. What did they buy? A digital watch. Remember, in this case, we have to identify the object, the receiver of the action in the sentence. Hari struck Rama. Whom did Hari strike? Rama. So in this sentence, Rama is in objective case. Next is he teaches me. Whom does he teach? Me. In this sentence, me is in objective case, or we can say he is in subjective case or nominative case. Last is he threw a stone. He threw a stone. What did he throw? A stone. In this sentence, a stone is in objective case.